What is this? The clutch flywheel was completely destroyed. Even with this level of damage, after the meticulous work of the Pakistani master, the flywheel was restored, as if it had come from the factory. How did they manage to do that? The answer is hidden in a workshop in Peshawar, Pakistan. After the initial inspection, the master had already devised a repair plan. First, the flywheel was fixed to the machine's window base, and with a precision cutting tool, the interior of the hole was processed to remove all damaged areas and leave them smooth. Since the flywheel material is not suitable for direct welding, the master also had to remove the threads inside the hole to fit a threaded piece that would interlock, enhancing the flywheel's durability. After creating the thread, he planned to insert a metal disc into the flywheel, but the disc still didn't have the exact size. Thus, the disc was once again fixed to the machine's window base so that, with the cutting tool, its size could be adjusted to match the flywheel hole exactly. As the flywheel shaft still needed a bearing, it was necessary to drill a central hole in the disc to fit the bearing, and the master used a tool to ensure precision and smoothness on the edges of the hole. After machining, he took precise measurements with a caliper, and only when the diameter was perfect did he consider this stage complete. Since the flywheel already had threads for the fit, the next step was to machine threads onto the outer edge of the disc. Then, he began working on the bolt holes for the flywheel. First, he measured the bolt data and then reproduced them on the cylinder, adjusting each detail precisely so that each hole met the standards. Afterward, he used a drill to make the holes on the cylinder. With this phase complete, he was able to attach the cylinder to the flywheel. After this connection, it was necessary to smooth the surface of the disc to ensure it was perfectly flat and made firm contact with the flywheel. As no welding was used in this process, the master also drilled holes at the joint to insert 2 anchor pins, ensuring a secure connection. To ensure that the repaired flywheel would be durable, he brought it to the machine for a polishing process. The master carefully adjusted the tool support to control the movement of the grinding head, ensuring an even polish. When the polishing was complete, the damaged flywheel was as good as new. How amazing! Hats off to the Pakistani master's impressive skill.